If you are ready for a break from the triple digit heat, I have got you today. We're doing some simple Dollar Tree holiday gifts that you can get started on right now. These are simple and affordable Dollar Tree DIYs that you can make for as many people as you have on your list, so no one will be left out. Let's start with a quick win from Dollar Tree. Pick up one of their glass taper candles. They have red, green, and white. The hardest part of this project is going to be removing that label from the back. I find that it's easiest to soak it off. I am using my Cricut Joy for this and printing the numbers 1 through 25, but you could do the same thing with stickers if you prefer. And then I'm also printing the words Christmas Countdown using my Cricut Joy. And this is something else that you could do just with regular stickers. But I am telling you that I love using this little machine. It cuts down on the time so much and is perfect for these simple little projects. Pick up a long-handled lighter at the checkout stand from Dollar Tree and attach that with a ribbon to your candle. I added a few sprigs of holiday decoration, and that is it, my friends. This is the kind of gift that you could produce in mass for people in your book club or your Bible study group, for teachers, for doctors' offices, all kinds of things. I have 6 Dollar Tree DIYs ready for you to get started on your holiday gift giving, and comment below to let me know which one is your favorite. For these Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs, I'm using objects that you can find right now in your stores, and this is in the party section of Dollar Tree. They have these adorable party hats. I thought the red one would be cute, but I'm picking the black one, and I bet you can guess what we're going to be making. All of my winter decor is packed away, so I went to Walmart for some ribbon and I found this one lonely little sprig of holiday decor. I'm going to be using that in all the projects you see coming up. I picked up some black foam core at Walmart. Dollar Tree also sells this, but mine was out. And guess what? I got caught in a sudden downpour on my way to the car and it warped this foam core, but it's actually going to work to our advantage because we want to make the brim of that hat just a little bit longer. You may have guessed that this Dollar Tree DIY Christmas project is going to be a Frosty Hat. So we need the brim of that hat to be just a little longer so we can add the decor that we want. And when I had it just the right width, I went around and blacked out the edges of that foam core, and now I'm ready to glue the original hat to the foam core. Dollar Trees have a limited supply of Christmas type ribbon. I found a little bit more at Walmart, but I'm going to be showing you how I found a lot of holiday decor at my local thrift store and how I use that in some of these projects. I think that these Frosty hats would be a perfect centerpiece for your card group or any other occasion that you have coming up this winter. This is a perfect project to get an early start on so that you can mass produce these and you will have no worries when the occasion actually comes up. For the next step, just glue gun whatever you like to the brim of that hat. I'm adding some ribbon and some greenery and a giant bow. This is the perfect project for your creativity because it can really take on any color and any design that you like. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can leave it this way, but I am adding some little icicles with my glue gun, and I'll show you how we're going to transform that in the next step. We're getting a little break in the heat here, which means double digits, but we have had 2 or 3 weeks where every single day was triple digits. So it was fun for me to put on the Christmas music and create some of these DIY Christmas Dollar Tree crafts for you. Let me know what the temperature is where you are and if you are loving a little break. As you can see, I added a really light misting of Rust-Oleum 2X spray paint to make it look even snowier, and now we're going to add the final touch. With E6000 glue, I put that on there generously and then used a paintbrush that I wanted to pitch. And then I added a base of Epsom salt. Now, once that had dried, I shook off the remainder. And then I'm going to go back and add a finer layer of regular table salt, just using regular school glue. These Dollar Tree DIY holiday crafts are so much fun. And I also think it would be great if you have kids or grandkids who it's too hot to play outside and they're bored. These would be some fun projects to do together as a family. I also found out that this big container of Dollar Tree table salt only cost 79 cents. So yes, there are still some items in Dollar Tree that cost even less than $1, and I found that out this week. If you've been following along, you know that my husband and I are expecting to be grandparents this summer. And yes, we did have our first grandbaby, so we are over the moon happy. And we are really looking forward to Christmas this year. It's going to be so much fun with two grandkids. I think this would be a wonderful tablescape, especially if you set it on a little cake plate or elevated it and maybe put some votive candles around it. So this is project number 2. If this is your favorite, put a 2 in the comment section and let me know. If you're having fun watching today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. It means you'll be first in line to know when any new content comes out. Thank you to those of you who have already subscribed. We just hit 90,000. I am so excited, and you all help me shape the content that I make. If you're looking to save money this year for the holidays, there's no time like the present to get started. I'm going to show you some fun and simple holiday gift ideas that'll get you in the Christmas spirit. I'm Shannon, and this is Gift to My Life, where I love to help you live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. Patriotic summer decor can be used for a lot of Christmas decor as well. So look for those red items like serving pieces that would be perfect for smaller Christmas gifts. When you start looking for things that are red and green, you'll see them everywhere. Our next Dollar Tree DIY Christmas project is going to be one of these small caddies. You can usually find them in the teacher section. We're going to be making a holiday themed wrapping caddy. I started with this craft paper in holiday patterns, and I'm custom cutting it down to the size of that caddy. Now I'm punching little holes, and they can use these for gift tags. This is a super simple project, but it's one that everyone will love and use. It might be a little bit early to buy these, but just know that Dollar Tree always carries these types of mints in the candy section. So if you're in a bind, you can always pick up the red and green mints as filler for any kind of gift. What makes this gift really special is those finishing touches. I found this polka dotted ribbon at my local thrift store, and then we're just going to glue onto that ribbon a few of those holiday sprigs. This way, if they want to remove that, all they have to do is remove the ribbon, and they can use the caddy for whatever they would like. Ordinarily on my channel, we talk about all things organizing and downsizing and decluttering our homes, but I thought it would be fun to do something a little bit different this week. So if this project is your favorite, leave me a 3 in the comment section. If you notice my holiday themed press-on nails, they are from Dollar Tree also. They're a new line that's just out, and I think I might pick up a couple more pairs and just stash them away for the holiday season. The Dollar Tree party supply section is a treasure trove for these kind of holiday gifts. So the next thing we're going to be creating is a custom holiday treat tower. There are many ways you could do this idea, but I'm going to pick up this package of the 4 striped paper boxes. These come in several different colors, so you could really customize this to whatever color scheme you have for your holiday. I chose the green, and I noticed that 2 of the boxes are solid and 2 are striped. The trickiest part of this project is putting these little boxes together because the paper is a little bit flimsy and it will rip. So you just want to take your time. I found that it was helpful to bend all those tabs down first and then put them together. You can see here that I was a little bit hasty and I ripped a couple of them, but it doesn't even matter because we're going to be stacking them on top of each other, and even if you make a mistake and rip a couple of them, no one's going to know. Next, I used my Cricut Joy to print out some names. You could do this many different ways, but I thought this would be a great idea for a family. These boxes are big enough to hold gift cards, or maybe you could do an advent calendar and have a countdown with treats inside for every day. Once you have them labeled however you like, start filling them with the fun little gifts. Now, this is a great idea to get started before the holiday actually occurs, because if you're looking for these little sale items and fun trinkets, you can really get quite a large stash by the time the holidays come around. The only thing I'm going to tell you is make sure to kind of plan ahead, put your heaviest items in the bottom box so that that tower doesn't topple over. Next, I glue gunned these boxes together, and as you can see, even if you make a mistake and rip some of that, no one's going to even know. So the final touch, of course, is to add a ribbon and some decor, and you could even decorate this with more candies on top or however you like. If this tree tower is your very favorite one of these Dollar Tree DIY holiday projects, leave me a 4 in the comment box. I think this would also make a great stocking stuffer idea, so keep that in mind. If you've been with Skip to My Life for a while, you know that I started this channel as a DIY crafter, and every once in a while I want to get back to those roots and just have a little fun with some hands-on projects. In my opinion, it's never too early to start shopping for stocking stuffers. There's so many fun little toys available at Dollar Tree now, especially name brand and themed toys. Last time I was at the Dollar Tree toy section, I noticed this Friends Forever line of dolls. Now, I think that these are made for Dollar Tree. They look really high quality and they have their own set of clothing. So if you've purchased any of these, comment below and let me know what you think of them. This is also a great time of year to start looking in Dollar Tree for Christmas themed books, packing supplies for those packages, and all those little themed colored items you might want to include in a care package or stuff full of candies. If you wait to the months of November or December to go to your thrift store, you're going to notice that all the holiday items are marked up if they have any left at all. For this next DIY holiday craft project, I went to my local thrift store and looked for some Christmas books. Now, the best kind have a red spine or a completely red cover. Now, I was going to use this children's picture book and just take one of those pages out and frame it, but it was so beautiful, I just couldn't bring myself to touch it. So for this next project, we're not going to harm these books at all. We're just going to remove the jackets. They're all 3 Christmas-themed books, so this would be a great gift for the reader on your list. I actually found 2 of these Christmas-themed books at my local Dollar Tree. They are beautiful and high-quality books, and they were just $1.25. And then I added a simple ribbon to the top. Now, we're going to glue all our decor to this ribbon, so the books will not be harmed at all. The people who receive it can feel free to take those out and read them, use them for decor, or however they want to have that around their house. I have some more freebies for you, but they're in my description box, and YouTube doesn't always make that easy to find. So when you look at the title of this video, you'll see ... more. Click on that ... more, and you'll see the drop-down menu with 14 pages of free printable labels for your house. Dollar Tree always offers some beautiful holiday mugs, but I love to go to my local thrift store and see what they have. I found this beautiful little puppy mug, as well as some other selections of holiday mugs. Now, these are so inexpensive, and if you're looking for something personal to that person that you're giving the gift to, this is the perfect place to shop. I will tell you, look on the bottom and make sure that these mugs are microwave and dishwasher safe. This gift could not be any simpler. You're just going to want to fill it with whatever goodies you have and then wrap it up with cellophane and a nice bow. These are the perfect kinds of gifts to keep on hand for those people that you forgot about, or maybe you just decide you want to give a gift at the last minute. I did get the cellophane paper from Dollar Tree, and I try to stock up on that when I see it in clear. If this is your favorite DIY gift, comment 6. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to want to make sure to check this next one out. And as always, my friends, do not forget that today's not the end of your story, so do not give up. This is Shannon from Skip to My Life.